How to turn off active status on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to turn off active status on Facebook. So let's begin. This option is very helpful whenever you want to avoid interaction with other users or with other Facebook users. So let's say for example that you want to casually scroll down on your newsfeed without bothering or being bothered by other users. So let's begin. Go to your Facebook app and then go to menu found on the lower right corner, or if you're using the Android device, you may click on menu on the upper right of the screen. And then scroll down a little bit until you can see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy and then go to settings and scroll down once again and look for audience and visibility. So under audience and visibility, you may see the active status option. If you cannot see this option, you may also search on the upper right corner by clicking on this magnifying glass right here. So click on active status and make sure to turn off show when you are active. So to turn it off, simply click on the toggle button found on the rightmost part and make sure that the toggle button has turned into gray and not blue. And then let's say for example that you want to turn off the active status also of your Facebook Messenger. So do take note that Facebook app and the Facebook Messenger has a different setting when it comes to turning off the active status. So let's proceed to Messenger. Go to Messenger. Let's just go back first. And then click on your profile found on the upper left corner and simply click on active status as well. So as you can see, we have turned off our Facebook status, but on Messenger, it has been um, still turned on. So you need to click on active status once again and turn off show when you are active. Click on turn off and then that's it. That's how you can turn off active status on Facebook. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.